Welcome to this masterclass on Hibernate and JPA with Spring Boot. I am Ranga Karanam and I have been using Hibernate since 2009. That's almost 8 years of experience with Hibernate and JPA. In this course, we take a deep dive into JPA and Hibernate. At the beginning of the course, you'd understand the world before JPA, JDBC and Spring JDBC. We would develop a simple JDBC application and migrate it to JPA. In the advanced part of the course, we would learn about entities, annotations, relationships, inheritance hierarchies, and also the most important concepts in JPA, entity manager and persistence context. We'll also find out what are the different ways of querying data with JPA. We will learn about JPQL, native queries, and also using the criteria API to define queries with Java. We'll also focus on transaction management and performance tuning. We would learn how to do caching with a first level cache as well as second level cache with cache. While focusing on JPA and Hibernate, we would also make sure that you'd understand the basics of Spring, Spring Boot, and JUnit. This course has more than 100 steps to help you to become an expert on JPA and Hibernate. All the details of the course, complete code examples, and the step-by-step details are on our GitHub repository in 28 minutes JPA with Hibernate. At In 28 Minutes, we ask ourselves one question every day. How do we create more effective courses? The success we have on YouTube and Udemy with more than 80,000 students is a result of this pursuit of excellence. And this course is no exception. We expect you to have very good experience with Java. That's all that you need to be able to successfully complete this course. We will help you to install all the tools needed. Eclipse, Maven, Embedded Tomcat, and also the embedded database H2. What are we waiting for? Let's have some fun with Hibernate and JPA in more than 100 steps. We had a lot of fun creating this course, and we are confident you'll have a lot of fun too. If you're excited to learn more, go ahead and enroll for the course. Or you can take a test drive using the free preview feature. I'll see you in the course.